All right, class, this is my first attempt at this. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to build a circuit, and circuits are basically closed loops that electrons can move around, and electrons, when they move, it's basically called electricity. Now, the first thing you need is a battery, and batteries can be thought of as they provide voltage, and voltage can be thought of as the pressure that causes the electrons to move around the circuit. The electrons carry energy, and when they reach a device, which it could be a light bulb or anything that requires electricity, these electrons drop off their energy, and then the electrons return back to the battery where they basically get recharged and filled up with more energy, and then they continue back to the device. So in order to have a circuit, what you need is a path that these electrons can travel around. So what I'm doing here is I'm attaching my wire to my light bulb. And the word circuit basically means circle. So you can see how I'm manipulating this. And when I connect these, bam. And now you can see that the electrons are moving. They move through the battery, pick up electrical energy, carry it, drop it off at the light bulb, and then that electrical energy is turned into light energy. Now these electrons head back to the battery where they get recharged. Now, if I touch my battery, you can see that it has a voltage of 9. And as I add more batteries, that voltage can change. Um, um, I believe that's it. So if I wanted to add more batteries, I would connect them up. It's like so. You can disconnect here. I would need to add that there. And then these two batteries can be added together. And I can also add more light bulbs the same way. Now notice it's not a circuit because there's a gap here. So the electrons do not have a complete path to travel through. So you're going to work through assignment, I believe I can't remember. It's the second one for this week. I already screwed up the numbers once. I had to redo the video. But what you're going to be doing is you're going to be adding more batteries, seeing how it affects the brightness. And then you're going to be adding more light bulbs, keeping the battery number the same, seeing how that affects the brightness of the bulb. Okay. And then we're going to bring this all together in the next assignment, where we learn about Ohm's law and what do voltage, current, and resistance actually do. How do they affect one another? So I think I've showed you enough here to get you through this next assignment. If you have questions, please email.